So basically what I was looking at is this 15-minute chart, and what I was seeing was that, okay, so first I was aiming for this sell side and the until 15-minute BC, because I saw the order flow was really bearish. Look at the breaker here, wasn't even reached. Okay, the breaker here failed to reach into, and even this CE wick, even this CE wick as well. Okay. Okay, the breaker was failed to reach into, so this is a breaker. So high, low, higher, high, and so this is a breaker. So you can see the breaker failed to reach into as well. Okay. Besides the breaker, this wick, the middle of this wick was failed to reach to as well. Okay, you can see we failed to reach into it, and then displays lower again. So created a market structure shift here, and right here we got a fair value gap. And right here we got a fair value gap, and price reached into it, to the high of it, and rejects lower. So what we got news, pops lower, reaching for this sell side here. Okay, reaching for this sell side here, and this BC, and this unfilled portion of this 15-minute BC. And then it spooked through, continues lower, reaching for the daily C wick, and shoots through a bit the daily C wick. And so yeah, that is what I am seeing, that is what I was seeing here. Okay, so this is the daily C wick that I was aiming for here. Okay, you can see, okay, pull it down here. Okay, so this was the wick that I was looking at. Okay, so this wick was the wick that I was looking at as well, and we reached lower here as well. So this is the weekly volume balance. And also, if you see here, the CE wick was failed to reach into as well. Okay, so this is the weekly volume balance. And we came up to the Friday's new day opening gap, beautifully rejects lower on Monday. This frames out for me for being long in S&P. Okay, so now dollar is done, so dollar is bearish, and so now I'll go to the NQ here. Okay, Dow also reached above the weekly high here, S&P also reached above the weekly high here, but Nasdaq failed too. So right now is a potential 60-star idea for Nasdaq to catch up. And so basically what I was seeing is this weekly high here. As you can see, we have tons of the buy side here, and okay. And for the longer term, for Nasdaq to have 60-star idea here, we would need to, okay, for Nasdaq 60-star idea here, that means right now, potentially, we are bullish all the way until Nasdaq can reach up here. Okay, so what I'm seeing is this previous day high. Okay, so now we can go to a daily chart, so you can see here I indicated this previous day high, which is also previous week high. Okay, so this is the previous week high, as you can see here. Okay, I forget to write here, so actually this is the previous week high plus, okay, previous week high. So let's go to daily chart, and on daily chart you can see this is the CB, the daily CB right here. And right here we can see relative equal highs here. So tons of highs here. And we can see here is the previous day low. Okay. And this week as well. And now let's go to the S&P. So basically, because Nasdaq potentially is bullish, Nasdaq is looking bullish here, haven't cleared some of the high when S&P and Dow did. So basically, if Nasdaq, I'm expecting Nasdaq to reach higher, which here we can see here is the CE week as well. Okay, that's why I say plus daily premium CE week. So it's this same CE week. Okay. So if Nasdaq potentially is bullish, that means S&P we want it to be in tandem with Nasdaq. So S&P I will be bullish as well. Okay. So if dollar we are looking it to be bearish, S&P and Nasdaq we are looking for it to be bullish. So this is the daily rejection block, which is the next target. You can see right here we have shoot through it, but it's a trade review. Okay. So this was the draw, the daily rejection block, and this is the old period. This is the old high, the old weekly high as well. Okay, the old weekly high as well here. And so yeah, and then that's about it. And this week, okay, and I will see this CE week as well. Okay, so right now let's go down to the 15-minute. Okay, so on this 15-minute, this was what I was saying. I was seeing this same swing low, this 7 o'clock low. Okay, so right now I think I'll just jump into the review of the trade. Okay, so what I was seeing is this sell side here. Okay, so we cleared this sell side here. This is what I'm seeing here because we cleared buy side as well. So you can see here we cleared buy side. Okay, so here we cleared buy side, and we traded into this value gap here. So we cleared buy side, traded into this value gap here during 9:20, spool lower all the way, and this is the same 7 o'clock swing low. We cleared sell side, and then it came out to this CB right here. Okay. So what I was looking at is this. Because we cleared buy side and we cleared sell side, so potentially I don't favor going short today. Because we have went down, so we have been going down. So we're looking for dollar to go down. So I'm only looking for bullish switch, and not to mention Forex has been shooting higher also. So I will show you guys later also. Okay, I'll show you the proof here. Okay. So let's get the label all the way first. Okay, so this green line is the sell side. Okay, the sell side. Just now that I stated. Okay, it's the sell side here. Okay, so we cleared sell side, traded lower, and close back inside the new week opening gap. And if you see, close where? At the midpoint of the new week opening gap. Okay, we close back at the midpoint of the new week opening gap here. So this is, look at this reaction, look at the bodies. The bodies tell the stories. Look at this reaction right here. This is just beautiful. Okay, so we clear sell side, 15-minute sell side, and close above the mean of the current new week opening gap, and then we traded through this CB, which I see as inversion fair value gap. Okay, and here you can see that. Okay, and here you can see the price didn't really come down to it. But what I was seeing is also this. I'm also seeing this order block. We are inside this inversion bearish order block. Okay, so I was seeing this inside this range of the inversion bearish order block, and then here this is also a balanced price range. So I went long right here, and the fact, okay, Okay, this is the old balance pattern here. Here you can see beautiful effect, because this is also one of ICT's new PD array that they teach in the live stream. So you can see here, beautiful, respected the midpoint of it within this inversion bearish on the block. So beautiful, and I market entry and price came down here, so I got filled up here. And then the fact that price failed to reach into this inversion fair value gap just shows how firm is it. Because at the same time you can see Nasdaq is also trading. As the same time, you can see Nasdaq is trading at the next fair value gap above there. Okay, and so Nasdaq was in tandem down as well, and dollar, okay, and dollar was continuously spooling lower, and that is what gave me the confidence to go long at here. And another thing about the first trade is that here was a potential silver bullet, but price didn't come down. If price would have came down to this BC, I would have added another entry here. Okay, you can see that right here at 10.11 I got filled. Okay, so 10.08 to 10.11. Okay, so 10.11 is roughly 3 minutes. So here I calculated wrongly, so sorry. So it's 3 minutes, so 43 seconds. Okay. So what was the target? This was the equilibrium. I'm expecting it to trade back into premium, and premium trade back into where? This fair value gap here. Okay, midpoint of it, and trade back into it. And this yellow line is the old swing low. Okay, so 5 points is right here. And also, what I was seeing is also this. Okay, so what I was seeing is also this dealing range from here. Okay, I shall put it from here. Okay, from here up to here. So if you can see, what do we have here? We have a volume balance here, and here we have a fair value gap. So I was expecting a retracement into this 15-minute volume balance. So this is the drawn liquidity. So the drawn liquidity is this 15-minute volume balance and this fair value and premium. And also this is the new opening range gap. Okay, I'll show you. So this is the today's new opening range gap. And so that's it. This was the draw. So if you see, my draw is this 15-minute volume balance here above the premium. So from here to here, offer me 5 handles, and that's it. So this was the first trade, 5 handles. Then after that, price starts going down again, respecting the yellow swing low. Okay, this swing low is the 5-minute 7 o'clock swing low, which Nasdaq also respected, and it goes all the way down, and we hold inside this fair value gap. So in here I wasn't interested in doing anything, because first of all, dollar and forex keep going down right here. Dollar and forex keep going lower, so I'm not interested in doing anything. For the second trade, I was waiting for the 10-50 macro basically, because here once again sell side was cleared. Okay, here once again sell side was cleared, so sell side has been cleared many times, and reached down to this Friday PM sell side. Okay, see this sell side? So this is Friday low, last Friday's low, and this is the sell side. We went down, we cleared it up. So we cleared this sell side, cleared this sell side. Here is the current new week opening gap, and it was so close to the daily CE week, but it didn't reach down there. It rejected here. At the same time, Nasdaq. At the same time, Nasdaq reached the previous day low and rejected as well. So right now what I'm seeing is, things are going in tandem, and at the same time Dow has traded above the 7 o'clock swing low. here, which okay, I'll bring it back to you here. Okay, so this same swing low, okay, this same. So you can see Dow was trading below it and always rejecting. So Dow was holding support at the same 15-minute swing low. Okay. Same time, I was expecting dollar to retrace back up into this 15-minute fair gap because dollar has traded down to the daily CE week. It has been going down. We have cleared a lot of sell side also, so it's reasonable to expect price to have a retracement higher, and this is the drawn liquidity. Now let's go back to the S&P. Basically, what I was seeing is this. I wanted to see a body close above this CB. Okay, so we got it here at 1046, and as you can see here, bodies were holding it as well. So it closed above this CB as well. So as it came down here, I expected it to act as IOFED, okay, institutional order flow and GGO. Okay, so this is IOFED. Why is it IOFED? Because we are getting close to the 1050 macro, and we have closed above these two CVs. So bodies tell the stories, wicks do the damage. So we have traded above, and look at here, the bodies came down here, close at C of it, and bodies was hovering here. Okay, and there's one factor here. I wasn't willing to really I wasn't willing to enter long in this fair value gap because as price traded below here, dollar was starting to go higher. So this is the 5-minute fair value gap that price is respecting at 1046, 1047, which is close to the 1050 macro. So because dollar was starting to move higher a bit, okay, I wanted to see how we reacted in this BC. So we reacted here, okay, stopped it at this inversion fair value gap, and as soon as it closed back, as soon as it rejected back inside this fair value gap, I went long. Okay, I went long here, you can see, I went long here, and then where was I expecting price to reach for? So I was expecting price. So right now you can see buy side is here. We've been going down all morning. Okay, look here, we've been going down all morning. Since the whole morning going down, and we damaged a lot of sell side. Sell side is damaged. So right now I must think, who is feeling safe? So at the moment, the one that is feeling safe is the buy side. Where? Where's the buy side? Here. So here is the buy side I was aiming for, and as you can see here, I took profit right at where the buy side cleared. But where is my drawn liquidity? What am I aiming for? Remember, this is the 15-minute volume balance that I'm aiming for, and ultimately I'm aiming for this 15-minute unfilled. Okay, I go up here. See, ultimately I'm aiming for this. Okay, this is what I was aiming for. This 15-minute CB in the premium of the current 15-minute daily range, which is here, from here all the way down to here. Okay, so you can see we have two things in premium. This is the volume balance. Okay, so this is the volume balance, and this is the CB. So this too was the drawn liquidity. So if you want, I can pull up this fair value gap as well. So, and because this fair value gap is in discount, this 15 fair value discount, so we will anticipate this to act as inversion. Okay. So let's go down and see what do we see. Okay. So what is this? Look at this. We traded above it. Look at this. Look at the bodies of the feet. Look at the bodies. Beautiful. So look at this beautiful reaction here. Traded up these places and reached 40. 930 opening, new opening range gap. So after as price reach here, I'm basically done. because my 15 minute CB target has reached as well.